Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm just sharing a little project today that I've been doing. I'm actually waiting for some ink to come for my printer. It's a long story and I won't bore you with it, but it's taken its time. So I saw this on Handmade by Stardust's channel. It was her Ruby and Pearl project, and I love both her and Ruby and Pearl. So this is just a little mini journal. It's 5.5 by 3.25 roughly, and I just put it together just to have a bit of playtime really. It's a Christmas theme and it's Ruby. I've used Ruby and Pearl's what's it called, Stars Shining Bright collection, which was last year's Christmas paper. I think it was last year's. It's not this year's anyway. I had this last year and printed it off and had some left over. So it's just put together with masking tape. I'll link the tutorial below. I think it's Heather at Handmade of Stardust. So I started with this little flap here. I've stitched around some of it. You probably won't see that on the video because I used a pale cotton, but it's some of it is stitched. So that just opens like that, and then there's a little tag on the front. I've just put it on some card and used some dyed seam binding in the top there with an eyelet and just a tiny bit of collage just to dress it up slightly. This is, I've followed along pretty close to what Heather did, but not entirely. And it's only a few pages. So this is the inside of the front cover. I've just used stickers. This is a little rub-on, some little bits of paper, a little snippet and some bling. And then this opens out. And in this pocket, I've got a little tag. And I had a very tatty old wedding photograph and I've just torn it down. You'll see other bits of it in this little journal. This was not from the paper pack. I think pretty much everything else paper-wise is, apart from the book pages obviously. This I think was from a Daphne's diary. I've popped a little bit of gold here and I've done it on tape the same as Heather did. That's an old playing card. And then this is this is a little bit more torn off that photograph. This is an old library card and I've just collaged it with some book paper. These are some Tim Holtz stickers, a little bit more seam binding. On this side I've put a collage together. This gold is some fabric that Leanne from Australia sent me. Thank you, Leanne. Love everything, as you know. And I just took a little bit of it there to dress this up. This is from the Star Shining Bright kit. This is some washi tape. There's a little bit of glitter, a little bit of gold glitter on there and some glossy accents. And then this folds over. This is a sticker, some collage with the scraps. There's a little quote in here. And again, a little collage with some scraps. Pops in there. This was a little window envelope that I just happened to have. Somebody has gifted me that at some point. I'm sorry, I can't remember who now. This holly is cut from an Edith Holden book. The small version, and again I've used glitter just to dress that up. This is an old computer card. Pocket here, a bit more of that gold. A little tag. A couple of paper bits that I'd got and a couple of Tim Holtz dolls there just to layer all of that up. This is a Tim Holtz frame, a bit more of that bling. And And another little journal card there. And then a bit more of that photograph, just some bits of collage. This is cut from the paper. I actually didn't want to cover this up. I quite liked the way that looked. And then the back you've seen. That's the rest of the photograph, another quote and a couple more images from that ruby and pearl paper. So that's, you know, just a random project. If you've watched my Rach and Bella Crafts previous videos, you'll know that they are, we might not know it from mine, but they are doing a big giveaway with this, with the collaboration. The project I made for them is my prize, which will be sent to someone, and I'll include this in that too. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all soon.